In this video, I'll guide you through how to log in to Zoho People. Whether you're accessing it for the first time on a new device or you just need a quick refresher, we'll go step by step so you feel confident signing in every time. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Edge, Safari, Firefox, or whichever one you normally use. In the address bar at the top of your browser, type in the Zoho People website address or search for Zoho People and select the official link from the results. Make sure you're on the legitimate Zoho People site, not a lookalike page, to keep your account secure. Once the Zoho People page loads, look toward the top right or center of the screen for the sign in option. This is usually clearly labeled so you can find it quickly. Go ahead and click sign in. This will take you to the login page where you can enter your account details. On the login page, you'll see fields asking for your Zoho email and your password. In the email field, type the email address that's associated with your Zoho People account. Take a moment to check for any typing errors, like missing letters or extra spaces, especially if you're copying and pasting from somewhere else. Next, move to the password field and enter your Zoho password. Be mindful of capital letters, numbers, and any special characters because passwords are case sensitive and must match exactly. If you're using a shared or public computer, avoid letting the browser save your password and make sure no one is watching while you type. If you ever forget your password, you can use the forgot password link usually found below the password field to reset it. But for now, enter it as you normally would. After you've entered both your email and password, click the login button. This is the button that submits your information and attempts to sign you in. If everything is correct, Zoho People will start loading your account dashboard. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a moment, so give it a few seconds. Sometimes, for security reasons, Zoho may ask you to complete an extra verification step. This is especially common if you're logging in from a new device, a different location, or if your organization has enabled additional security measures. Verification could mean entering a code sent to your email or phone, or using an authenticator app. If you're prompted for verification, check the method shown on the screen. For example, if it says a code was sent to your email, open your email inbox in a new tab or on your phone, find the message from Zoho and copy the code. Then go back to the Zoho People page and paste or type that code into the verification field. Make sure you enter it exactly as shown and then confirm or continue. Once the code is accepted, your login will be completed and you'll be taken into your Zoho People account. From there, you can manage attendance, leaves, or any other features your organization has enabled. That's all there is to it. Go to the Zoho People website, click sign in, enter your Zoho email and password, click login, and complete verification if you're asked. With these steps, you'll be able to access Zoho People quickly and securely whenever you need it.